This video I will explain the foods that protect your heart. Your heart is one of the most important organs in your body. Heart works non-stop to pump blood and keep you alive. To keep your heart strong and healthy, the food you eat plays a very big role. A heart healthy diet helps to reduce risk of heart disease, heart attacks and high blood pressure. You have to eat fruits and vegetables. These are full of vitamins, minerals, fiber and antioxidants. These help to protect your heart by reducing harmful substances in your body. Examples like apples, oranges, bananas, berries, carrots, spinach, broccoli, and tomatoes. You have to try to eat at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables every day. You have to eat whole grains. Whole grains are foods made from the entire grain seed. They have more fiber and nutrients than refined grains. Example of refined grains are white rice or white bread. And example of whole grains are brown rice, oats, whole wheat bread, and quinoa. The use of fiber is it helps to lower the bad cholesterol levels and keeps your blood vessels clean. You have to eat healthy fats. Not all fats are bad. Some fats are good for your heart and help to reduce harmful cholesterol. You can find healthy fats in monounsaturated fats and polyunsaturated fats. Monounsaturated fats found in olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds. Polyunsaturated fats found in sunflower oil, walnuts, and fatty fish. These are good to eat. And you have to avoid trans fats and saturated fats, which are found in fried foods, baked foods, and fatty meats. These increase the risk of heart disease. You have to eat lean proteins. Protein is important for your body, and you can eat fish like salmon, tuna, mackerel, which are rich in omega 3 fatty acids. You can eat skinless chicken or turkey. You can eat plant proteins like beans, lentils, tofu, and soy products. You have to avoid too much of red meat and processed meats like sausages, which can raise your cholesterol. You have to use low fat dairy. Dairy products give you calcium and protein, but some are high in saturated fat. Better choices are low fat milk, yogurt, and low fat cheese. These help to protect the heart without adding unhealthy fats. You have to eat nuts and seeds. These are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and plant protein. Examples are almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. You have to eat them in small amounts because they are high in calories. You have to limit salt and sugar because too much of salt can cause high blood pressure, which harms your heart. Too much of sugar can lead to weight gain, diabetes, and heart issues. Some of the tips are you have to check the food labels for salt and sugar. You have to cook at home more often. You have to avoid sugary drinks and salty snacks. You have to drink water. Water helps to keep your body working properly. You have to replace sugary drinks with water to avoid extra calories. Now we will see final tips for heart healthy diet. You have to eat natural foods and fresh foods over processed options. You have to avoid junk food and processed foods. You have to practice portion control, which means eat right amount of food, not too much amount of food. You have to eat variety. Don't eat the same foods all the time. In short, the heart healthy diet is about eating the right kind of food, mostly plants, whole grains, good fats, and lean proteins, and avoid harmful fats, salt, and sugar. Making small and smart changes in your daily food choices can go a long way in protecting your heart for life.